Hello everyone and welcome back to part 3. Today we will look at the introduction. The introduction is the opening of the essay and it sets the direction for the essay. It leads directly into the body of the essay. An introduction should provide context by presenting the topic, summarize the main points of the essay, inform readers how you plan to discuss or debate about the topic. Remember, ask questions and write answers to those questions. It will help you to form sentences and paragraphs. Here are some question examples. What is the topic? Why is the topic important? What are the main points? What is the argument? What are your views and opinions? Today we will look at the function of the introduction and the two different parts that form the introduction, the hook and the thesis. The hook. A hook is an opening sentence or statement that informs readers of the topic. It is the first thing you write after the title. It can be a question, a fact, an anecdote, or a bold claim. A lot of guides will tell you the hook should make the reader want to read on. But for now, focus on presenting your information so it is factual and accurate, as well as using a dictionary and thesaurus to improve your vocabulary and language skills. In order to write the hook, ask some questions on the topic and form these into sentences. What is the topic? Clean energy, non-renewable energy sources are bad, impact of fossil fuels. Why is the topic important? Cities around the world are witnessing more pollution alerts and unhealthy air quality levels. What are the main points? In 2022, the world reached a record level of carbon emissions. Should be using clean energy, more pollution alerts, and unhealthy air quality levels. What is the argument? Pollution from non-renewable energy sources paints a bad picture of our planet's future. What are your views and opinions? Now, more than ever, we should be using clean energy before it's too late to act. The impact of fossil fuels are easy for everyone to see. We can form sentences and paragraphs with the information like this. By breaking down the essay into smaller pieces, it is easier to write. As you can see in the above example, we have used the answers from our questions to form small paragraphs which make up the hook. Next, the thesis. A thesis is a concise statement that presents the main argument or point of an essay. It tells the reader what the essay will discuss or debate and the stance or view the writer is taking on the topic. It should contain the main argument of the essay. Like in our previous examples, use questions to help you write smaller sentences and then put them together. For example, what is the problem? And what is the solution? Remember, if you can break down your writing in this way, it should make the whole process of writing easier. The red parts above are answers to the question, what is the problem? And the blue parts are answers to the question, what is the solution? If you put these two together, this will form a small paragraph for the thesis. To summarize, the hooks inform on a contemporary issue, the rise in carbon emissions, the impact of fossil fuels, and the effects on our planet, making them timely and relevant. By grounding the essay in a current context, readers are immediately made aware of the essay's subject or topic. The theses, on the other hand, take this current issue and expand upon it, providing readers with a clear direction for the essay. Together, these elements not only command attention, but also set a clear trajectory for the essay, effectively guiding readers into the next part of the essay, the body. The examples we made earlier can be written in any combination, with the hook first, followed by the thesis, like this. As you can see, we take the answers from the questions and we put them together to form paragraphs. By doing this, as we mentioned before, you can take big pieces of writing and break them down into simpler, easier pieces. Then put them together like this to form your paragraphs. We will leave you with a review today before we go. On the left, we have the questions and the answers. And on the right, we have the block paragraphs in their finished form. Remember, if you can write 3 examples, you can mix these examples together to form larger introductions if you need them. We hope you enjoyed part 3 of our guide on the introduction. For part 4, we will look at and examine the body of the essay. The body of your essay is where you argue, describe, or explain your topic. As always, it has been a pleasure sharing information with you today, and we hope this helps you with your language skills. See you again for part 4, and remember, academic aids, we write for you.